Good morning. Business Research Methods, Unit 2, topic Research Problem and Research Design. The subtopic for today's session would be Research Questions and Review of Literature. The learning objective is to understand what are research questions and the meaning, purpose, and need of conducting review of literature in research. So we go to the first topic. What are research questions? So a research question is the answerable inquiry that brings into focus the purpose or objective of the study that has to be attained or solved through research. So when you come up with research questions, you are basically pinpointing, you are focusing on what you are going to examine in the study, in the research, and two, what is the outcome that is expected from your research. Research questions must be reliable, they must be feasible, and they must guide the study and aid in getting solutions. Research questions must be answerable through data, whether primary, secondary, qualitative or quantitative data. All research questions that are formulated must be researchable. They must never ask for subjective answers. Research questions must be specific and not vague. The framing of research questions is determined by the type of research, the purpose of research. So research questions, we can conclude, they are directing guidelines or frameworks that help focus work on the exact answer or on the exact purpose and the reason why the research is conducted. So research questions, basically they focus on what area must be examined during research. Two, they also focus on what are the expected outcomes that must come out of research. Second, we are going to the review of literature. So, review of literature is a comprehensive study and it is an analysis of previous research on a given topic. Literature review is a critical study of articles, journals, books and other sources providing information on a particular area of study. The review of literature is very important. It is focused and directed towards a specific purpose in research. A researcher, while doing research, has to select the kind of relevant literature and study them with the purpose in mind. The literature review starts with selection of the problem, that is the first step in research. It continues during the research. Things like finding out what are the operational concepts and defining them, you need review of literature. To prepare your research proposals, you need review of literature. To find out data, again, you have to go in for literature review. And then while you go in for report writing, also there is a lot of literature review being done. So, review of literature is important. It is done to study the strength and weakness of a given topic and to expose the gaps in the study or body of knowledge and thereby substantiate the need or justify your selection of research in any particular area. So, whenever you go in for review of literature, already prepared theories or body of knowledge presented by other authors and other researchers must be studied critically. The inconsistencies in existing knowledge must be identified, which will help you identify your own research gap. Undecided, incomplete studies or open questions left from other research can be completed. So here itself you can form your own research problems. Review of literature helps identify the need for extra research and therefore justifies your own personal research. Only if you do review of literature, only if you read, you can identify the connection and interrelation of contributions of literature in a particular subject. So this can be coordinated. Reading of existing literature, basically you can read existing literature and identify areas where there is a gap and further study is required. So relationship model between theories or coordinating the theories already present can be done to find out where your research gap is and thereby fill in that research gap. While doing review of literature, there are many sources. The basic sources would be, right now you have the internet. The other sources are libraries, all types of documentation services, books and publishers, bibliographies, journals, government reports, other report abstracts, and already present research theories. To conclude, review of literature is of paramount importance in zeroing in on the need and purpose of conducting research. So review of literature starts even before research and continues throughout research and ends with preparation and submission of report. Thank you.